bald-headed Yaz is here today. So I was wearing a wig literally a second ago and I used the olive oil, the ORS spray or whatever, and it leaves a residue, like a crumbly residue, and I just don't like it. I thought I'd try something different from how I usually do my apply my wigs, but yeah, it's not it. Right, so I've already got this wig cap on. Usually I wear 2 wig caps because I cut all my hair off. Yes, if you want a video on that, I'll make it, but if not, then I'm just gonna like not make it. Yeah, I cut all my hair off, so usually I wear 2 because obviously with like afro textured hair it's harder to get it slicked down, but today afternoon I put a lot of gel in, water, a bunch of stuff, and I've managed to slick my hair down so I can wear 1 cap because wearing 2 gives you a headache. Anyway, let me stop babbling and let me just get on with what I want to talk about. So I was fortunate enough to receive this lovely package from another hair company. It's called Myshinywigs, and when I tell you, or Myshinywigs, sorry, and when I tell you that I love the packaging, like, you know, I'm a neutral girl, but I love the packaging. I love the packaging, like it's so cute and like vibrant, and I just love that, which is different. So they sent me a wig, and in the packaging it says shine bright like a diamond. You guys can't really see that because, you know, my lights. And here the wig is in here, and then they sent me a cute little, do you know what, I really appreciate this because I need more like of these sort of bags, and they sent me this with a comb, a Toni and Guy rat tail comb, which it must be expensive because Toni and Guy is a bit expensive, a brush, an edges brush, and 2 wig caps. And then they also sent me a, what's it called, a hair finishing cream, so like a wax stick as well, which I really appreciate because a lot of people don't buy wax sticks, and like sometimes it took me ages to buy a wax stick. Like I just was like, this is too daunting, I can't be asked, but I bought one. But I really do appreciate this, and also because it's so small you can fit it in your bag if you're going out. Also, excuse if you hear my boyfriend screaming in the background. He's playing a game with his friends and I've told him I'm filming, but to get guys to stop shouting when they're playing games, it's just not. And then these cute little like what's it called? What they called? Diamante stickers. Which, do you know what? I went to look a while back and I was like, oh, if I had some Diamante stickers, this would be really good. Didn't have any. Now I got some. So I'm pretty sure you guys are all here to know about the wig, so I'll just get started with that. So I was sent a Cara Glueless 13 by 5.5 T-part lace human hair wig, and it's what's it called? And it's basically like almost like a blondish, you guys will see, it's really cute. And then also if you want to get money off, you can use my discount code which gets you $25 off. So I guess in pounds that'd be about £20. I don't know. And you just use the code Yasmin, which is like really simple, so it's not that some hard, you know, code to like remember. Sent me the wig. It's a T-part, as you can see, which basically means it looks like a T. It's like a T shape. So you've got hair all along the perimeter, and then you've got your parting already done for you in the middle. And since Gen Zs on TikTok want to say that millennials are, you know, we part our hair to the side, we're too old, so if you don't want to be part of the part on your hair to the side, you can get this wig. It's so soft. The color is beautiful. And the best thing is this one I didn't have to bleach it because it was already pre-bleached. That was really nice. And this headband was installed as well, and it's adjustable, which I am obsessed with. So like you can put it in whichever band best suits you, so it actually can really be a glueless wig, because some people say it's glueless wig and you have to still got to be glue and all that down there. So yeah, I really appreciate that. So I'm gonna put this on the last hook. So let me just pop this wig on for you guys now so you can see what it looks like. Honestly, wearing lip gloss is not a mood when you're trying to put your wigs on, like it just sticks to the hair. So I'm just going to use my wax stick to, you know. Look at the colour, guys. This is absolutely beautiful. I'm obsessed with this colour. I don't even know what to say to you, like it is absolutely beautiful. They also gave me tweezers. So I'm gonna pluck this on camera for you guys just a little bit because this doesn't actually need plucking, but I like my lines there to be a bit less defined, so I'm just gonna pluck it a little bit on camera, and then I'm not gonna pluck a lot, and then I will get back to talking. Okay, so I only plucked a tiny bit. Like when I say like a tiny bit, only the smallest amount, and some has fallen on the floor. Because I don't want to pluck this too much because obviously it's a teapot wig, so I don't want to take off too much of the hair so that when it naturally sheds, it kind of, you know, doesn't look as good. But I'm obsessed with this hair. Literally, I know a lot of people that like really want to get started in wearing wigs and they just don't know how to get started. Do you know what? Let me do this. Let me talk whilst I cut this wig. Yeah, so I know a lot of people that want to start wearing wigs and stuff and they just don't know where to get started, and like they find the whole process of wearing wigs really daunting, and like cutting the lace, bleaching the knots, plucking, blah blah. But this literally is already done for you. So like this kind of wig would be suitable for someone who is just getting started for wearing wigs. And obviously if you are an avid wig wearer, you can still wear this wig, you can still buy it for yourself. But for people that like are just getting started and you don't know where to start off with a teapot, and then that way you know about like, you know, how much effort and time it takes to look after just that little bit of lace in the front. So I've been cleaning my my like lace and my lace area with a toner. I just find that's less harsh than alcohol, because the alcohol was drying my like baby hairs in the front of my head, and you know, it does damage after a period of time. So maybe switch to a toner. It's not as strong, so you kind of have to work with it, but it is healthier for your scalp. Okay, so I'm going to use my got to be glued. Get my brush, because the hair doesn't need to be straightened. It's not frizzy or anything, it just needs to be straightened because of the kink. So I'm not really gonna spend too much time putting heat in this hair because it's so soft, it doesn't need the heat right now. This is giving me Beyonce vibes, caramel. Oh, I'm obsessed. I'm actually obsessed with this color. Now to the other side of my hair. You know, I love black hair and all, but I actually miss colored hair, and I just want to say, how well is this hair colored? Like, I feel like there's a lot of like colored wigs, blonde wigs, brown with black wigs, whatever you want to call it, that, you know, it's colored but it looks like tiger stripes, it looks like streaks, whereas this looks blended. I just want to say, when this wig came in the box, it was already this flat. Like, I don't even have to, you know, I don't have to do anything. The only place obviously you have to flatten with wigs usually is like this bit. You don't want to end up as a triangle head. That's like the worst look you possibly could ever have. All I have to say is, if you're in the market for a good quality human hair wig, right? Affordable human hair wig, Myshinywigs. Myshinywigs. I'm just gonna keep saying Myshinywigs because Myshinywigs. Look at this, guys. This is how long it is, by the way. So it goes up to like my boobs. Okay, ignore my belly. But it goes up to like my boobs. So it's like the length of my boobs. This I would say is like 16, 18. I don't remember how long it is. So I hope you guys enjoyed this like mini tutorial. No bleaching involved, barely any plucking, no wig construction. Just slap that thing on your head and cut the lace. That's all I have to say. So yeah, the specs and everything will be down below in the description. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments for me. I will get back to you. My Instagram is Yasmin Boachi. The Instagram of the hair is Myshinywigs. And yeah.